Hello, so in this video I'm going to show you the different ways that you can make a lot of money in a quick and short time. Like most people don't know because this way is so hidden and secretive, and the people who do this for a living do not want you to know about it because they don't want more competition. So I'm going to show you the easiest way to make anywhere from $11,000 to $20,000 to $30,000 in the easiest way possible. You don't need to do anything to do this. You don't need a resume. This is one of the most secretive, hidden ways that people make money and the largest amount of money possible. So I'm going to show you how in this video. So I'm going to show my screen and show you guys exactly how it's done. For some reason, I can't screen record. I've been trying to screen record my screen. My computer is not screen recording. So I'm just going to show you screenshots from the website that I put together to walk through it. So if you go through the website, it will show you find a study, the different locations, the clinical research, and if you scroll down, it will show you these different pictures. And under, if you read it, it will say Healthy Volunteers, Clinical Research Study of an Investigational Medication in Healthy Volunteers. And then if you read lower, it will show you they're paying you up to $37,000. And this is taking place in Salt Lake City, Utah. You don't have to be from Utah to participate. You just have to be willing to travel to Utah. So participation in the study includes 2 screening visits, 53 nights. So that means this study will last 54 days, which is about 2 months. So in 2 months, for only 2 months of participating in the study, they will pay you $37,000. So we're going to go to that page. When you go to that page, you can read more information. It says, we're conducting a study for healthy men and women ages 18 to 55. Volunteers must be available for 53 nights, 54 days. After the 54 days is over, there will be 1 follow-up visit, 1 follow-up phone call. Qualified study participants may earn up to $37,000 for study-related time. Even if you do not qualify, you may receive up to $500 for referring a qualified participant. For more details, you could call them at their phone number. The phone number is listed right here. When you read further, it asks what does the study involve. You will have 2 screening visits to see if you qualify. You will stay for 53 nights, 54 days. You will have 1 follow-up visit, then 1 follow-up phone call. You could be either male or female. You just need to be 18 to 55 years old, and this has to be your BMI. And for this one, it seems that you're allowed to smoke and you're allowed to don't smoke. It says both. So we're going to go back to the study page and click on another study. This one is looking for people $20,100, and it's taking place in San Antonio, Texas. So we're going to click on that one. So it says we're conducting a study for healthy non-smoking men and women ages 18 to 65. For this one, you cannot smoke. So it says no recent nicotine product usage 3 months prior to study participation. So if you want to qualify for the study, you cannot have taken nicotine or smoked within 3 months before doing the screening for this study. So it says volunteers must be available for 1 stay of 28 nights and 1 follow-up appointment. Qualified study participants may earn up to $20,100 for participation. Participant must also weigh at least 110 pounds. So if you're below this weight, you cannot participate. So you have to make sure that you weigh at least 110 pounds to be able to do the study. So before your screening, you must arrive 30 minutes before your scheduled screening appointment to complete paperwork, and late arrivals may not be seen. So if you don't arrive 30 minutes before the screener starts, they will not let you in, so be aware of that. Even if you do not qualify, you may receive up to $300 for referring a qualified participant. And it shows you the number to call them. And it says, what does the study involve? 1 screening visit, 1 stay of 28 nights, 1 follow-up appointment. You can be male or female. You have to be between the ages of 18 to 65, a non-smoker. Your BMI must fall between this. You have to be healthy, and you can't have any nicotine product usage 3 months to the study. So, once again, this is taking place in San Antonio, Texas. So we're going to go back to the study pages. This next one we're going to click on is for $17,500. Is also taking place in San Antonio, Texas. So we click on this page, and it says we're conducting a study for healthy males and females living with overweight or obesity, 18 to 55 years old. So this one is for people who are overweight and trying to lose weight. It says volunteers must be available for 1 stay of 1 night, 1 stay of 4 nights, 1 stay of 2 nights, and 1 stay of 5 nights, and 15 follow-up visits plus 1 phone call. Qualified study participants may receive up to $17,500 for participation. You must be willing to abstain from smoking or use of nicotine substitute products during your stay. Participant must live within 150 miles, so you have to live within 150 miles of the study site, and your proof of address is required. Even if you do not qualify, you may receive up to $300 for referring a qualified participant. So it shows you the number to call them at. This one seems a bit longer than the others. So basically what they mean with the 1 stay of 1 night, 1 stay of 4 nights, 1 stay of 2 nights, 1 stay of 5 nights, is that basically you're going to leave and then have to keep coming back for like multiple nights. You leave, then you come back and stay again for multiple nights. But you're getting paid $17,500 for this. And if you're trying to lose weight, this is a way to be able to lose weight and get paid a lot of money to do it. If you want me to do more of these videos that shows you studies that are paying you thousands and thousands of dollars to participate, just comment below letting me know if you want me to do more of these videos. Then I'll just start making these videos, letting you know which studies are going on, how much they're paying, and where they're located at. Let me know if you like these type of videos and if I should do more of these videos. Please remember to subscribe, comment, and like the video and share with anyone. Like, you could do these studies with your friends. You could go and stay with your friends and make thousands of money together with your friends or your family. Like, this is a quick and easy way to make money without having to depend on a job that really pays your bills or that you have to be stuck at every day for the rest of your life. So let me know if you'd be willing to do something like this, and if you want me to post about more studies out there that are looking for people, because there are plenty of studies out there just like this one that are looking for people and will pay thousands of dollars. So let me know if I should make more videos like this. Bye, and see you in the next video.